In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Shopify store to default. By the end of this walkthrough, your store will be cleared of products, collections, files, themes in your library, and third-party apps, giving you a fresh starting point. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to your main dashboard. This is the page where you see your store overview, recent activity, and side menu. We'll work our way down that menu to remove everything that's been added. Start with your products. On the left-hand side, click on Products. You'll see a list of every product in your store. At the top of that list is a white checkbox just below the All filter. Click that box to select all visible products. Once they're selected, look for the three dots, usually near the top of the list. Click on those three dots and then choose Delete Products. Confirm the deletion. Keep in mind, this is permanent, so only do this if you're sure you want to wipe all products. Next, you'll clear out your collections. Still in the side menu, click on Collections. Just like before, at the top of the collections list, click the white checkbox below All to select every collection. Then click on the three dots and choose Delete Collections. Confirm that you want to remove them. This will remove both manual and automated collections. Now let's remove uploaded files. In the left-hand menu, click on Content, and inside that section, click on Files. This is where Shopify stores images, documents, and other assets you've uploaded. At the top of the files list, click the white checkbox below All again to select everything. Then choose Delete Files and confirm. Be aware this can affect any external places that might be using those file URLs. After that, head to your storefront themes. Click on Online Store in the menu. You'll see your current theme at the top and a theme library below. In the theme library, look for the three dots next to each additional theme. Click the three dots, then click Remove and Confirm. Do this for all extra themes you no longer need, leaving just your main active theme or the default one you'll use going forward. Finally, clean up your apps. Go down to Settings and then click on Apps. You'll see all installed apps listed here. Next to each app, click on the three dots, then select Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Repeat this for every app you want to remove, so your store is back to a clean default state with no extra integrations. Once you've completed these steps, your Shopify store will be effectively